Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix slow charging problem or issues in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings. Then friends, you have to click on apps. Here you can just click on app management. Click on three dots, show system apps, and here you have to write system. Then click on Android system and you have to clear cache this. So here it is showing storage usage. Just clear cache this. Now press back. You have to write here Google Play Services, and here it is showing Google Play Services. Just go to storage and service, just clear this cache. Then friends, press back and you have to go to the settings, search, and type here battery, and you can see here it is smart charging. You have to tap on here and you have to enable it. To slow down battery aging, your device learns from your charging habits and adjusts charging patterns according. When the battery level reaches at 80%, it may automatically defer charging to 100% until shortly before you need to use it. You can just also enable this charging limit, so above the 80% reaches, it slow down the battery ages. So you can just limit the charging also by clicking on here. And if your smartphone have low battery, so you can enable this power saving mode, so it will not use much battery from this. And you can just turn on this specified battery level like this, so it will stop at this battery. You can just turn it off from here. Here it is default optimization. You can just reduce your screen brightness from here. You can just disable background scenic, lower the screen refresh rate. If you have maximum refresh rate like 120 Hz, so it will lower the screen refresh rate. And of course you can just go to apps and turn off this background data, so the apps not run in the background. Here I am telling you how you can do. So you can just open the app setting, then click on this data usage, and you will see background data. You have to turn it off from here, so it will not run in the background, so it will not reduce your battery life. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.